Kalimera from Rhodos. The season starts in 8 days and I'm really excited about this season. This video is mainly for people who have been following me for a long time, so you won't get any informational video out of it, but I wanted to let you know what to expect this season, what are we doing. We are having more fun because lately I started doing like videos about where should you stay and what to do and so on. But this is so dry. It's not for me. I don't like doing that. The information is out there. I have my website where I wrote down all the information. So I decided let's make it more fun this year, because my main goal from the start has been supporting local businesses, smaller businesses. And in 3 years I have noticed that local businesses really struggle like being seen, and I think that's why I'm here. That's why I made this channel. And when I first started 3 years ago, I was thinking like, yes, let's make a YouTube channel, let's make videos, people will love me, maybe I get 100,000 subscribers, which is one of the main like goals for every YouTuber. But today I see that this is not the case for me, because my channel is mainly informational. People just come, watch, they get an answer, they see which speech they have to go, and they leave without subscribing and everything like that. But I'm really grateful that about 6,000 people have already subscribed to my channel, and they watch mainly because of me and what I have to offer. But I also decided that I won't stress out about my YouTube channel so much anymore, because yes, at first I had idea that I make a YouTube channel, I make a living out of it, and I can support like more local businesses, go to some business, spend 20-30 euros to just support them and also make a video out of it. So this year I'm doing exactly like that. I won't stress out if my new video will get many views or not. This is like the channel is not the entertainment channel or let's make a challenge channel where you get like hundreds and thousands of views. People get their answer and they are satisfied. So this year, whatever I earn from YouTube, I will take that money. I will choose one local business. I will go and make a video about it, show what they have to offer. Because a lot of subscribers have visited this island for 1, 2, 3, 10 times already. So maybe a few people see something that they haven't seen before and they want to go and visit. My main profession will be making an income through my website, which I built this winter. So my like earning focus goes there, because everything is organized and I'm supporting this with my channel, but not the way I did the first videos this year, because I just don't like doing dry videos. I rather grab my camera, go somewhere, just blab something for you that may be interesting for you. Also to myself, because otherwise it's pointless to do these videos. So yeah, this season let's visit some local businesses, show you what's there, also some places that I haven't filmed yet with my camera, so you all find some new places to discover. And I'm going to visit new places every week, because in 8 days I will start working in car rental company. I'm working in Marathon Car Rental, which is also one of my partners on my website. So if you need a car, you can book through me. That way you can support this channel, support me, so I can do more good stuff and good videos. And the reason I like going to Marathon to work this season was that they are a bit different than typical Greek company. They accepted that I need at least 2-3 days in a week to make videos for you, and they are really friendly and accepting the like new age, that you don't have to work every day, every month, and I can support like other ways also. So if you're visiting this island and you want to go like book a boat trip or rent a car or need a transfer or even find a hotel or villa or apartment, you can find great options on my website. It doesn't have any additional cost for you, but I earn small commission with every booking. So it helps me a lot, and I can do great videos and also support locals more and more. Because my idea was not that I will get a lot of views and subscribers and then I buy a Lamborghini and drive around, be like a boss. I'm a simple person. If I have money, I can do good with that money, and let's focus on that this year. Before I came here, it's Gennady Beach, about few kilometers long, no people around. This is where I come to think. I also come to motivate myself, listen some great podcasts and thinking what to do next. And my mind shift have shifted a lot during these 3 years. I noticed that local businesses, don't really know much about internet, websites, promoting and everything like that. So this is where I come in. I have the camera. I have no problem to take 30 minutes and make a video about a specific location and show that they are here, what they offer, and if I feel like it. Because everyone expects me to come and just promote them, but I follow my heart. I only promote businesses that I really like, well, it's not about the businesses. It's about the people who are behind those businesses. So if I promote something, for me, I promote those people. Like they welcomed me from the first second they saw me, even they didn't know that I make any videos and so on. So everything I promote on my channel and my website are based on how good the people behind that business is, because this is who I am, this is what I want to support. And what really made my heart warm today, about 10 minutes before I came here to record this video, was I was driving with my scooter in Gyötari, and one car stopped and waved at me, and I also stopped because I have no problem meeting people and talk with them and make new friends that I have made over the 3 years. Really great friends. Some of them are moving to this island, and I also helped them move here. But the car stopped, and the only thing she said was that I wanted to thank you so much that you promoted my business, that you do what you do. I'm really grateful and thank you so much. And the conversation ended, and we both went our own ways. And this kind of interaction means 100 times more than earning 5 euros. For that, like if I promote something, I get 5 euros or something. So this is what really matters me. This year we make it more fun. I have taken my personal goal to every free day I have, I try to meet people who have contacted me, want to meet up, have a chat, maybe have a small beer. You all know I like beer. So let's make it fun this year. Enough with the dry stuff, where you should stay, what area. The whole info is out there. Now let's show you the real roads. If you agree, comment that you agree. So yeah, if you're staying in Kiotari, Pefkos, in Lachania Atrium Hotel, then you may see me in Marathon car rental office. Because I'm the guy who goes and gives 3 days to people who work there. So my main office is in Kiotari. If you need a car, just come, step by, let's meet, and I will sell you the car. No, selling is not the main goal. The main goal is to make great connections. This year I already started making some great partnerships. They are really good people. And if you see me promoting them, then know that these people behind that business are really nice, welcoming, and they are happy to see you. So 8 days, then the island is unlocked for me. I can move around, I can rent a car, I can go somewhere, I can make some great videos for you, the places that you haven't seen before. I also, if you don't follow me on social media, I suggest you to do so, because every day I post some kind of video, picture or something from my website. So there is also a video where I asked if you know any small local businesses that you recommend for sure. And I'm trying to pick top 5 businesses that I visit this year for sure. It may be a small family hotel, some restaurant, some boutique shop, whatever it is. We will go, we will see what they have to offer and where they are located. So even if 500 people watch this video and 3 people find that this is just the thing I was looking for, I now know where to go, then I'm happy. So go and follow us on social media. Facebook and Instagram are the main channels. TikTok is like blah, because it's not really the platform for me. People usually share some weird stuff there that's supposed to be funny, and it's not related to travel at all. So yeah, follow me in social media. If you have any questions, always reach out to me via social media, and also you can comment, but sometimes I don't see the comments because I have so many notifications every day, and I just can't see them because of the limitation of Facebook or Instagram. But I'm here for you. Let's make the best out of this season 2025. The weather is amazing, the water is clear. In few months I will go swimming. It's still 19 degrees, a bit cold for me, but we will see you soon. Hope to see you on the island. If you see me on the street, just wave, stop me, and we will talk. See you!